In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money from 6 sources of income in your 20s. Now, welcome to the episode 2 of Finance for 20 series. And in case you don't know, this is a new series on my channel where I'll be sharing with you guys some personal finance tips and lessons to help you become financially stable and better in your 20s. So if you feel this is something you'll be interested in, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. With that being said, let's get into the video. Now, having multiple sources of income is a great way to build wealth fast. And this is because the more sources of income you have, the more money you'll be able to make. And that's how the rich get richer, and that is how you can also increase your earning potential. So here are 6 sources of income for you to make money in your 20s. The first one is your earned income. Now, earned income is the money you receive in exchange for your work or your service. Now, it is the income you get from your job through salary, wages, commissions, or any other type of compensation that is directly tied to the work you perform. Now, this is the first major type of income a lot of people tend to get or focus on. And this is because this is the most common source of income for many people. So if you're in your 20s and you have a skill you can offer a company or an organization, then you should apply to that company or that organization. And if it's a service you can render, you can also apply to get a job. And one thing about this is that the more knowledgeable you are about your skills and the more experience you have, the more money you'll be able to make from this income. So this is the first way you can make money in your 20s if you have a skill to offer or if you have a service to render. But I won't advise you to depend solely on your earned income because your earned income is something you can lose at any time. And that is why I have other options in this video. Now, the second source of income to make money is through your business income. Now, your business income refers to the money you earn from running a business. Unlike the earned income, which is typically derived from being an employee or working for someone or a company, your business income is obtained by being your boss. Now, in my first episode of Finance for 20s, I mentioned that starting a business in your early 20s could be the best decision you can ever make in your life, and that is true. But starting a business and making it a successful business is not an easy job. And not everyone can be a businessman or a businesswoman. It involves a lot of hard work, perseverance, and even dedication. But once you start your business and you start getting money from your business, it can be so good. Now, your business income can come from various sources such as selling products, either physical products or digital products, or offering services online or offline, or generating revenue from advertising or affiliate partnerships, and so on. Now, unlike the earned income where you only have a fixed amount of money you make every month, the amount of income you can generate from your business can vary depending on factors such as market demand, competition in the market, pricing strategies, and some other factors. However, the advantage of business income is the potential for unlimited income. You can make any amount of money each month. And also, you have the opportunity of increasing your business income by scaling your business and even developing new products and services. Now, to succeed in generating business income, it is also important that you have a well-defined business plan and a solid understanding of your target market. Also, effective marketing strategies and excellent customer service and continuous innovation in your business are also key factors for a successful business. Now that I've talked about earned income and your business income, the third source of income is through your side hustle income. Now, side hustle refers to the money you earn from a part-time job or a part-time work. Now, a lot of people do side hustles to make extra cash to add to their earned income or to their business income. Now, a side hustle can be any type of work or business that allows you to leverage your skills, your interests, or your hobbies to generate extra income. And this can include freelance writing, that's if you're a good writer, or graphic design, or photography, online tutoring, consulting, content creation, or even starting an online business. Now, like I said, many people pursue side hustles for various reasons. It could be a way to pursue a passion or interest outside your regular job, or maybe to explore career opportunities, or maybe to save money for specific goals, or maybe to increase your overall income. But having a side hustle is something that we highly recommend for everyone in his or her 20s. And this is because we've had so many stories of people turning their side hustles into multi-million naira businesses. And your side hustle today might just be what will make you millions in some years to come. Now, for example, I was making money from just crypto trading and my investment for about 2 years. And then in 2020, during the lockdown, I was just trying different side hustles. And one of them is this YouTube channel. Now, I started this YouTube channel because I wanted to keep myself busy during the lockdown, and universities were on strike even after the lockdown. So I was just doing it to keep myself busy and as a side hustle. And then suddenly I started seeing growth on the channel, and the channel has now turned into a business for me. So you see that starting a side hustle is good as it can open more opportunities for you. And the best time to try different side hustles is in your early 20s. Now, the next source of income for you to make money in your early 20s is through dividend income. Now, dividend income is a type of passive income that you can earn money by investing in stocks or index funds that pay dividends. Now, when you invest in some stocks or some companies, they distribute a portion of their profit to shareholders in the form of dividends. And these dividends are usually paid out regularly, such as quarterly or annually. Now, dividend income can be a great source of income for you in your 20s and even beyond, especially if you have a lot of money invested in the stock market. It can provide you with opportunities to earn money without actively working for it. Now, by investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can potentially earn a steady stream of income that can help you cover some of your expenses, or you can even reinvest your dividends for further growth. Now, to earn dividend income, you need to do research and find dividend-paying stocks, and it's important to also consider some factors such as the company's financial success, the dividend history of the company, and the stability of the industry where that company belongs to. Also, I highly advise you that you diversify your dividend investment, as it can help you reduce risk and also maximize potential returns. And you also need to know that companies can choose to reduce or remove their dividend based on their financial performance and business decisions. So you must make sure that you regularly monitor your dividend investment and stay informed about the companies you have decided to invest in. The next source of income to make money in your 20s is through capital gains. Now, capital gains refers to the profit you make from the sale of an asset such as stocks, crypto, real estate, or artworks. Now, when you sell an asset for more than the price you bought it, the difference between the selling price and the purchase price is considered as a capital gain. Now, just like dividend income, capital gains are often categorized as a type of passive income. Now, this means that you can earn money from capital gains without actively working for it. Now, instead, you make money by investing in assets that can appreciate over time, and you sell them later for profit. And the best time to start investing in this asset for huge profit in the future is in your 20s. Now, capital gains can be a significant source of wealth accumulation, especially if you're a long-term investor. You just need to be very careful when you're selecting the assets you want to buy and hold. And ensure that you go for assets that have the potential to increase in value and can generate substantial profit when you decide to sell them in the future. The next source of income to make money in your 20s is through rental income. Now, rental income is another type of passive income that you can earn by owning and renting out real estate properties. And this can include residential properties such as houses or apartments, as well as commercial properties like offices or shops. Now, to generate rental income fast, you need to invest in properties that are in high demand, and you can charge your tenants a monthly or yearly rent for the property. Now, this rental income can provide a steady stream of cash flow for you and also serve as a long-term investment. Now, if you don't have the funds to buy a physical real estate property, you can also invest in REIT or fractional real estate. Now, there are some companies that can allow you to invest in real estate properties with a small amount of money, and Cable is an example. Now, on the Cable app, you can invest in real estate properties for as low as $10 and you get returns on your money. Now, your rental income might not even come from your residential or commercial properties. You could even be renting your unused or old items to people to make extra cash for yourself. Now, there are several advantages to earning rental income. Firstly, it can provide a consistent source of income that is stable compared to other types of investment. And also, your rental properties can appreciate over time, thereby increasing your earning potential. So in conclusion, having multiple sources of income in your 20s is a powerful way to increase your earning potential and to build wealth. In this video, I've discussed 6 sources of income that you can explore. You have earned income, business income, side hustle income, your dividend income, your capital gains, and then you have rental income. By diversifying your sources of income, you can create financial stability and increase your savings and also accelerate your path to financial independence. So thank you for watching this episode of Finance for 20 series. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.